Hey, Jack and Bernadette, 3:30. We're all wrapped up here, so I'm going to show you a quick video and then I'm going to lock up the house. So that's what they had to do here on the drywall. That piece stubbed back in there as they had to cut out, and then you can see down there is where that picked that up. Joint flange. Try not to walk too fast here. Try to keep this all in one video under a minute. And here is your new outbound line. That's the one boot right there. Line goes back into the bathroom. And then another boot there. And then that goes up to the toilet sweep and also the water from upstairs. So that's what it looks like. I will be here in the morning to meet the crew and the inspector from the city. And then once they sign off on it, then they'll get this stuff filled in for you and leveled out the best they can, and then the project will be turned over to